And I'm gonna tell you what is this. I'm overprotective. The way I'm not hungry no more. And if I'm wrong, maybe I'm just wrong. But overprotected, overprotect this so I'm not hungry no more. And I have to keep it by any form or any mean. You understand? Like, I protect it. I protect the relationship I build with my people them. I remember, bro, in a foreign, bro, wish if you come to have a better life, wish everybody feel like foreign where you come to have a better life, but foreign really hard. Foreign is hard. If they're not telling, they're not, foreign is hard, bro. And if you don't have your head for your body, and if you're lazy, you're not gonna make it. You see, if you're a lazy soul, you're not gonna make it, bro. Foreign is very hard. There's enough of them. Then come a foreign 2021 and 22 and 23 and 24, 2019, when people stop dealing with people harsh. You see, when they come in at 2011, 2012, 13, when as you sleep your slide, people put you out. Them time in a foreign harsh. Bro, you see, when you come a foreign in the 20s, bro, you good. You so good. Bro, you see me. Brother, I remember one time I get up in a Dawg. I know see a wickedness waiting up, but I still have to do it, you know. Somebody gone, I not call her name, somebody gone buy a machete, you know, and they have a bread knife along, so. And I take up a bread knife and then weed round. You know when you have a black round the flowers, like you have a black round the flowers, so I take up a knife and I start edge round it sitting. Edge round it. You see, Mama take up my phone and call her and said, you know, if you buy the machete, you got this. And through me asleep at the yard, I could even say no. You have to look for that. I say, I saw me look. I say, I saw me look. They have a little thing. No, Chevy, and they're wicked. They have a little thing with them boots over with. Yard man can't walk. And see you like a idiot. Yard man can't walk. And see ya, that yard man, one thing yard man no lazy. And see you like your blood clot Mike Tyson. Boy like you're the strongest thing in the world. See you know, yard man can't walk. And one thing, and you walk your fuck. One thing with Jamaican people, they can work. And see ya, when you hear that, you don't come like we get power. It come like we get power. Remember me telling you, a regular bro, I come here so. Back then, hungry kill me. I'm still coming so come entertain and I don't feel like everything good. When I hold up a time back then, you don't see me all in a sun chain. And then you don't see me night. You don't see me in a sun watch and then you don't see me night. I saw you go a foreign. Your pan, you have a thing when they call pony pan. A pan gone, a pan come. You must think I joke now, brother. Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh God, man. Jesus. Boy. Jesus, man. Hey. Yes, man, Jesus. Hey. That's terrible, dog. Oh God. I'm hungry, me hungry. When I'm saying I'm hungry, man, I gas, man. Jesus Christ. That's how I'm going to be about just how I go come here and say, Jesus. Just Actually, I used to look out for the bun. Just dog. Maybe I first gas if I let me so wicked. Jesus. I can drink tea every morning and boil a cup soup. You know what about the pain there? Jesus. No, I'm not telling that. You can't. You're a nice girl. I'm telling that. Go. Be a walkie walk and this Xgang woman them. Yeah. What about Xgang girl them a linebacker? And of course me serious. I done him, you see. Oh, tall and bright. Yeah. Call my name. I come talk about me so drop off and me so steal out and all these things. You go too far. No, me I tell the people them say Jim Brown is a pussy out of Xgang Lorry. Me I tell the people them. So when they see we are deal with people or how people deal with me behind my back. Me I tell them. And people them ask me serious. Yes, me serious. Jim Brown is a pussy, bro, behind my back, bro. He dog a chat me, bro. With woman, dog. Real talk, bro. Man a chat me, dog, like real talk, bro. Man a chat me. What behind, bro? What they are them black him in a dog? I'm a car rock, you know. I'm a rock a wagwan. I'm a unblock him. I'm a unblock him. Excuse me, come. I'm a unblock him. You know, like when I unblock him just for ears, say dog, you talk me. I see say you talk me for real, bro. Come on, bro. I don't know if you deal with me, sir, bro. Remember, God know what I'm do. Stop dealing with me, sir, bro. I don't pretend. But for the Xgang girl, them tell me, say, you say Xgang woman, them a linebacker. I should have known. Should have known. For you say Xgang woman, them a linebacker. And Team Bless woman, them shape good. Rock. And I don't pay him no mind, I just make people them know, say, him a pussy round with thing. Yes, he said, Xgang woman them a linebacker and Team Bless woman them look good. In type it. In that thing say. Yeah, in this way, what I get them in Xgang woman them. But I can't go like you want to time me thing. Me love it alone now, bro, but easy alone, bro. Love it alone. No, and no joke. And I argue or not with us and make you know say don't this girl then, brother. Yo, sometimes when I look at woman, bro, so woman don't want to know dog and just bill and just ease off, bro. Sometimes I know every woman want everybody in a dog. Sometimes we have to just relax and chill. When you can't walk around and this everybody when they want to know. A few girls in a Xgang, if you don't agree. Hey, me I tell you this, I'm not trying to go to one of my wife, them I try this my wife, them are my sister. If I something we can look over and say, alright then, you know, yeah. But I feel like, no, me head chip. You know, head chip. I mean, chip over this, no good blood clot. So you see them stay far from them. Yeah. Me not ramping me. No ramping my people them. Don't do that. Me send out the DJ flyers. And I guess you know see, Wiz funny. Tell me if I'm wrong. Every year, me joke out my event. And me explain this to Tommy or my wife them. Tell me if I'm wrong. Every year, me joke out my event and I don't make dollar. You see me? So, when me fly out my event, you notice at the first event, flyers, Chris Vibe wasn't on it. So, I started to myself and I say, you know, I say, this year, me not joke out my event, dog. This year is business. Every year, me fly in DJ. The DJ them come and play for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, take me $2,000, go back at the hotel with girl, get VIP section, no music, no play. No, when me I realize that DJ, when you fly DJ, then if you play for hour and a half or 2 hours, you have to get your money worth. No, me I flying DJ, if you come in now, me I say to myself, say, alright then here what I go on now, me I pay my money now, because me I try to make a money off a bad mixture this year now. And money me I try to make, you know. You see me? We short me and say, Father, what I go on with the flyer? I say, what I go on? I could have just jumped and put you on the party like that, Wiz. Because this year me I do with business. No, Wiz, you want a piece of the party? He said, yes, my father. No, Wiz, you give me go ahead. No, I could put you on the flyers. You could have come say, me could have come dash up on the flyers, Wiz. You see me? But in play last year. I mean, but we could have just dash Wiz on the flyers. So I said, Wiz, you know, say, alright then. True, you say Xgang, come walk this and walk me. I walk me show for people. And walk me this, I walk me that, and walk me this to people and them things. I'm sure me say, Wiz, you want to say party? Him say, yes. No, you give me the go ahead because me say, Wiz, you can't just keep party and throw my thing on the flyers. You see me? So me and him a reason. Me always said Jim Brown in my box with Wiz. And I said, oh father, if you put up on the flyers and you rip Xgang and even Wiz I said, me and father talk. So not more than butter go over there now and him and butter ketchup. So but like butter say, you know see where Wiz I say, like, you don't understand my father say. Not more than him and butter ketchup, you know. You see it, so you know. I just saw you go, bro. You can't, bro, me can't do it here, man. He just for the Xgang girls never make complain about you, bro. Me never ever say nothing to you, bro. And they make complain. Mika come to me, Chevy come to me, girls come to me and say, yo. I me never say nothing. They unblock you and me go back tonight and me unblock you, bro, and follow you and send you a message. Much people, you know, black people probably say up and then turn and follow back you, then send you a message and they say, yo, Jim Brown, why go and link me down more and chat to you? Or why really I go on? You see me? But I don't know. Stop walking and chat to girl in Xgang, bro.